Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratna Priya. As you all know about that, I continuing the lectures of order management course. So that is already completed the order management part. So let's move into the order decomposition. If you haven't watched my previous video, go and check it out. And everything is in the description box. If you forget to see the which videos you have to follow, I will keep this all the way in the description box. So let's get started this order decomposition under order management course. So the same thing you already know that we have to read this up and understand. The prerequisite is the same one, that we have to be cover the CP order capture and ECP, that enterprise product catalog, and the how you will learn it and what the learning objective. You have to read all these things. You just have to read and understand what they are saying. For the hands-on exercises, as previously you see that we have to be get, if you have only one playground for this course, it's okay, don't have to raise again and again for a request training program. And this PDF you need to download. Under this PDF you will get all the steps whatever we are doing in the hands-on challenges. And this is the PPT. As you follow the previous videos, you will know why PPT is important. The PPT having the same thing, we have to, whatever the task we done in the hands-on challenge, we have to take the screenshot of it and upload into the course, then it will consider it done in the course. And this is the additional resources. As you know, the Salesforce Industries, Vlocity Success Communities, and Salesforce Industries Process Library. So these things you have to just read it out, and these are the platform where you can ask any queries, and people of some communities, they can help you into that. So let's get started with the hands-on challenges, and just make sure that you will read out. As I completed all the reading parts of that course, so I just considered you guys also be aware of it and read out all the parts. And then let's start with the lab one. So first lab in the order decomposition, and I opened just now, I downloaded this thing, so I just opened it, this PDF, and read this up, because if you read, then you will get some understanding. And let's get hands-on challenge together. So first task is create decomposition relationship between the home hub modem and home hub CA 2000 CFS, home hub 3000 CFS technical product. We have to create this decomposition relationship between three of the product. Okay, create a condition rule for the home hub model, and then arrow home hub 3000 CFS decomposition relationship. Creating a static mapping rule for the home hub model, how home hub 3000 CFS decomposition relationship. Create mapping rule and condition rule for the home hub model, home hub 2000 CFS decomposition relationship. Okay, and test the decomposition relationship. So we have to create the decomposition relationship between the two product and make a condition rule into it, and make a static mapping rule as well, and both the mapping rule with map with the condition rule, and then test the decomposition relationship. So let's start it with the first task. So as I already opened my playground, so what they are saying in the lightning search dialog, enter home hub. Okay, home hub modem. Just press it up. Okay, it will directly come. Let it load. So this is the home hub modem, and then say they set. Okay, click on it. Click the related in decomposition relationship. Okay, now click in the related. Now we have to go into the product decomposition relationship. Source product new. Okay, now we have to create a new product source product relationship decomposition relationship. So just paste this in the relationship name. Okay, and the destination product should be hub 2000, home hub 2000 CFS. Just make sure you will entirely correct with the product name, otherwise the relevant result will not able to display. Okay, now save and new. we have to create another decomposition related relationship here only. Just copy this name of the decomposition relationship, paste it in the decomposition relationship name, and there the destination product is home 3000, home hub 3000 CFS. Okay, now click the save, and then it will directly save the relationship. Now you can see in the related tab the two relationship it came. Okay, now under both the decomposition relationship it will come. Okay, under decomposition relationship, so click OK. Now we have to click home hub 2000 3000, they are saying 3000 CFS. Let's click OK. Now go next. So this is open the home hub 3000 relationship, and then they are saying alert message. If your screen display warning message in the mapping rules section like the open picture below this, like this, the product attribute on the on your destination product were not saved correctly, go to the attribute property find in the product and save them again. So as you can see, we created completely properly product attribute so that we don't have any issue with that. If in case you have the issue, I will tell you how you can rectify it. Go into the product console, search the product name. So which product do you have a destination? For this one, it's a home hub 3000, right? So just click home home hub 3000. Go any of the project which you put in the destination, and go into the attribute property and just check this attribute value, and go into the details attribute metadata and check the all the details are correct in that, and don't just check, make sure that you are not having any checkbox until unless you don't need to do that, and just press the click save button and then close this up. So now if you go back to the console page, it will directly vanish the warning. As you can see, I don't have any warning message at all. So in this way you can fix it, this warning message. Go next. Now we have a next. Okay, they are saying something to be create, and now we have to create one pick list for it. So for pick list we have to create a condition rule for the home hub model and home hub 3000 CFS decomposition relationship. Okay, now we have to click no condition to and. Okay, just go into the click no condition to and operator. Okay, and operator. Now we have to be add default two simple expression will be added together. However, you will need a simple expression without any boolean logic. Okay, now we have to click next. Now click the garbage can. Okay, garbage can icon to the right of the either simple expression. Okay, just go next. As according to this we have to delete, we need only one simple expression, so just delete one of that. Next they are saying click garbage icon on the right of the either simple expression. Okay, simple expression. So click here, this is the garbage icon, and then we have to click internet service great. Okay, now we have to click internet service great, and then click the next button, select button, sorry. Now select it. Now go into the next. With the product and attribute selected, you are ready to fill out the rest of the mapping information. Okay, now we have to do some mapping in the. So now operator will be equal to best. Okay, now just click best, paste it best. Now next line is save condition, just save the condition. Next it is ready. Now we have to create a static mapping rule for the home hub model and home hubs 3000 CFS decomposition relationship. Now scroll up and mapping rule. Okay, now we have to scroll up. There is mapping, add rule, no, add new rule, and then type is static. Okay, let's so mapping type is static. Okay, now we have to, for the destination attribute, use the search dialog to select the modem standard. Okay, for destination attribute we have to search and select the technical modem standard. It directly come, and attribute value we have to put it up. This one is z point, just copy and paste it, and now click save. I just have to save this mapping. Okay, let it save and refresh the page and expand the additional section. Okay, just refresh the page by refreshing, just refresh it. Now expand the additional, let it refresh it, and now see in the expand additional we can get the JSON attribute, JSON type value in the add condition data. Whatever we add in it, it come in the JSON mode. And same thing is happened with the mapping rule as well. You can see we added the rule and we can see the JSON format mapping data. Now next, and the same thing they are saying, notice the condition data and mapping data fields are filled in the JSON. You can copy this data to the home hub model and home hub 2000 CFS decomposition relationship. Edit this data for the details as pre-knitted to the home hub 2000 CFS. So same thing we have to do. So we have to copy and paste it in the notepad first. According to the PDF, we have to copy and paste it. So I paste in the notepad both of the datas. Now we have to go into the next. Okay, so next is task 4, create mapping rule and condition rule for the home hub modem 2000 CFS decomposition. Same thing we have to create. So we have to go into, now we have to go back next, and there it will come under the related tab, and there you will see two relationship. Now we have to go into the 2000 hub CFS. So under expand the, it already expanded that. Now it is saying copy and paste the condition data and mapping data which you pasted in the notepad. Okay, let's do, click on edit button and just copy this up. Just make sure you haven't paste any of the space between while you are copying and paste these datas. So just make sure you don't have to hurry in these things. Just make sure you haven't paste any of the extra space. Okay, now just for make sure, just try with the space check. Okay, it's haven't any space. Okay, so next we have to go into the PDF, and then they are saying click next, cancel to exit the edit mode. Now cancel it and exit the edit mode. I'm so sorry guys, I read upper lines and then doing. So same thing you have to do. Whatever you copy and pasted in the notepad of the previous home hub 3000, you just have to paste it here and save it. Do not click the cancel button. That was for the previous part. Okay, and I'm so sorry, I just little upper line I read out. Okay, now save it. It will directly save the mapping rule as well as condition. Now you can see. Okay, so mapping is also added and condition is also added while we are pasting the JSON in the condition data and mapping data. It should be, just make sure you haven't pasted any of the extra spaces, otherwise it would not become in the same manner. So if it is having the wrong thing, just check the space between the JSON of like data, the condition data in the JSON mode, and check that up. Now they are saying after clicking the save button and then make, okay, now we have to edit the mapping rule. So just click on edit map rule, and then they are saying something to be edit in the value set values. So just paste this up. Yeah, just they are saying note that trailing dot is punctuation, not the part of a static value. Definitely we don't have to paste at the last of the dot while we are pasting the static value into it. Now they are saying to save this one and click the save mapping. I save it. Now next scroll down and condition of the condition section. Now we have to enter in the stead of best, we have to paste good in the condition data. So just edit it up, and then they are saying to save it exactly the same condition, save condition, click save condition. Then earlier in the home hub 3000 model you configure single and simple expression. Now for home hub 2000 model you need to configure complex condition. Okay, yeah, if you notice we deleted one of the simple expressions before that, right? And there they are saying to be use complex conditions. Now follow the same PDF. Click down and click down arrow. Now they are saying click drop down arrow for logical expression and change and to or. Okay, let's do that. And to or. Okay, now next it directly come up with another statement. Okay, now we have to add the same internet service grade as equal to better. So just copy the better one, click the internet services grade. Now select it, now paste here best, and then save the conditions, right? So now up to here it is done. And now the task 5, this is the last task for the decomposition relationship. What we have to do, check test the decomposition relationship. So how we can check, just click the navigation tab order. Okay, now create a new order. Let's create the new order, and order the name is home hub order. The contact is white hop. Okay, just do it fast. We have to type white Noah, and then save today and BC2 price. BC2, just type BC2 pricing. It will directly come. Activate it with the start today date, and order type is not needed. Now save it, an order is created. Now we have to add this order. Now go into the configure. As you are aware with the CPQ courses, you can easily understand it. Don't worry about it. We can easily understand here as well. So now we have to go into the configure order. Now after configure order, we have to go and search this product home hub modem in the product section. Let it load. In the product, we have to search home hub modem. Let it load. So as you can see, the product search product is came, add to cart. Let it add. So after adding, it is saying okay, take me there. It's the eye icon and get set grade to best and close it. Okay, so just click on I button and then take me there. Let it load. In the inside the grade, we have to select best. Okay, now it will directly come with, now click the close button, it will directly come with the best. Okay, so now you can see configure it, and then you can see best under grid. So now next is close it, and now click decompose order. So just click the decompose order. Now next what they are saying in the step 11, source order site and click the link icon to the next home hub. Okay, now we will go through there. Let it load. As you can see, home hub having the link, we have to click this link. As you can see, the link donates that it successfully decomposed this order and fulfillment request is fulfilled. So this brings me end of this task. The first task is over. So now just make sure you be with me in the next task as well. And till then, do not forget to subscribe my channel and definitely make a feedback on my channel, positive or negative. It will definitely help me to motivate me to next video regarding this one. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.